it good? Does it work? Can you see something?
Serious? Serious?
See through? Can you see something? That doesn't work. It does work. It does work. As a few days later, from what Frederick drew in front of the church, these are the slides, and those slides will get in front of the projector. Frederick used special lac to cover the areas where the light shouldn't go through, and the outlines will be projected onto the church. This is a first step, and it's actually crucial to understand where the light goes and how the light is going to hit the building. And so we're gonna spare out some windows to send some light through the glass windows, and at the same time we're trying to accentuate certain areas. And then there's the art happening. So what do you call it? Écriture automatique?
Écriture automatique, oui.
Well, okay. So that's what we're doing. This is how we spend our summer. Let's just have a look at the third step, which is projecting. That's going to take another 3 weeks, but you can just hold on for a second, and we'll be seeing you in a second. Alright kids, so these are the frames. Those have little screws to do the bend, do the angle, and inside those frames go the slides. Actually, we turn it upside down and we do it like this, and we put it in here.
You got it, okay. Super.
And we slide it in here.
Okay.
So now if you want to change from one slide to the other, you just move this. If you want to change to your third slide, then you take the whole frame out and put a new frame in. That's actually not, there is no seamless thing with it, but that's how it works. The artist just explained to our boss
See, we're doing it here.
that we're not really sure what's happening. That's a lie. We know what we're doing. We're pretty sure we know what we're doing. We're waiting for a cable. Yeah, seems to be a motive in my life. Waiting for the right cable. Almost there. So the trick would be to now find a focus point. Those projectors are really off sometimes, so you need to focus somewhere, and either here or up there is now focused, and I don't really know which part of the church we should focus on. And there's something you have to account for every time you do a mapping like this. It will be slightly off. You can't be as precise as you could be with a digital projection. And that's not a bad thing. The charm of something analog is pretty cool. So let's see how it looks from the other sides. Let's have a go around. But the greatest thing is this mapping just hits the sweet spot between being precise and being all over the place. And as always, when you're done, you press a button and all is over.